Imagine this, you walk into a bar, glance around, and there she is, that woman. The one who makes you straighten your shoulders, adjust your shirt, and feel that spark of excitement ignite inside. But do you know how just a few wrong moves can land you in the let's just have a drink zone? Watch this video till the end, and I'll teach you step by step how to seduce a woman at a bar. No cheesy tricks, no lame bravado, just making her want you. Let's go, handsome. Step 1. Get in the right headspace. No, don't drink yourself into courage. That's obvious. Have 1 glass, 2 max, to take the edge off, but keep a clear head. Women can spot a man who's come to the bar to hunt, and it turns them off instantly. Your goal is to be relaxed, like you're just there to enjoy the night. Remember, confidence doesn't start with words, it's in how you stand, look, move. Picture yourself as the alpha who doesn't need to prove a thing. You just are, and that's enough. Step 2. Choose your target. Don't scatter your attention. Darting eyes scanning every skirt in the room give you away. Pick one. The woman you like, not the one who seems easier. When you focus only on her, she feels it. Women love being the only one in that moment. Don't try to impress everyone, impress her. Step 3. Make contact. Yeah, it's basic, but you can't skip it. A brief glance, no more than 2 to 3 seconds. A smile, not predatory, just playful, like, "Hey there, gorgeous." If she meets your gaze, even for a second, you've opened the door. If not, don't force your way where you're not wanted. Others will. Step 4. Approach. Not tomorrow, not in 30 minutes, not after your 4th drink. Now. Just walk over. No apologies, no hovering, no offering to buy her a drink. That's cliché. Say something simple that fits the moment. Your laugh is contagious. Or, you look like someone who knows cocktails. What's good here? Women love when a man catches them in the moment, not recites rehearsed lines. Step 5. Listen. Yeah, listen, handsome. Don't bombard her with stories about yourself, your ex, your job, or your car. Ask, listen, engage. Say, "Wow, really? No way. That's awesome." A woman opens up not to words, but to interest. Show genuine curiosity, and she'll melt. Step 6. Touch. Lightly. No hugging or knee grabbing. Just lean in when speaking, briefly brush her arm when laughing. A woman's body reads these signals instantly. Key rule: don't be clingy. You're a man in control. Step 7. Stay mysterious. Don't spill your whole life. Leave something unsaid. Try, "Long story, I'll tell you another time," or "That's a secret." Women adore men who are puzzles they want to solve. Step 8. Suggest a change of scene. Don't ask, "Can I take you home?" That puts her on the spot. Say, "It's loud here, let's go for a walk," or "Let's move somewhere quieter." Propose it confidently, with a hint of a smile, like you already know she'll agree. Give her no reason to hesitate. Step 9. Read her signals. If she's laughing, leaning in, playing with her hair, touching you lightly, you're golden. If she's pulling back, glancing away, giving short answers, back off. A true master doesn't push. He feels the moment. Step 10. Close. Don't wait till last call or for her to decide. Lead. Say, "I've had a great time. Let's swap numbers," or "Something tells me we'll meet again." Confidence isn't "Can I?" It's when. Even if you part ways tonight, leave her with the vibe of a man who knows what he wants and takes it. So, handsome, ready to put this into practice? Now you've got a step-by-step guide to turn a regular night at the bar into an adventure. You're not just some guy at the counter anymore. You're the man women notice, remember, and crave. Want more secrets like these? Subscribe and check out my other videos. I break down how to spark passion, make her dream about you at night, and what really drives women wild. Hit that button, kid, and I'll see you in the next video, or maybe already in your head.